Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to make a granny square. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. So first we're going to tie a knot. This is how you tie a knot actually. Then you're going to grasp your hook and you're going to chain 7. That's 4, 5, 6, and 7. So after this is what you have. So this is what we have, and so I am going to take my hook and insert it on the first chain, then yarn over and pull through one and pull through the loop. Then I am going to do 3 double crochet inside this circle. So my first double crochet, I'm going to chain 2, then do 2 double crochets. That's what I meant. So 1 and 2. So this is what we have. So I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, then I'm going to do 3 other double crochets. So I'm going to insert your hook, pull through. This is your first one, then the second one, then the third one. Then 2 chains, then other 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, then other 2 chains, and then our last 3 double crochets. So what you're going to do is you're going to ensure that so this is what we have. So on joining, we are going to yarn over and going to take our first and insert it there. So this is what we're gonna do. Insert here and pull through all, and then pull through all. So this is what we have for our first row. So we are going to do our second row. So we are going to chain 2 and insert your hook on your first space, pull through and yarn. So we're going to chain 2, insert your hook, So on this space we are going to insert your hook, chain 2. So this is the second one, and then do 2 chains. Then on the same spot insert your hook, chain 2, chain other 2, and then continue with this. So we are here again, so we are going to insert your hook, chain your first 2, do 2 double crochets in the space, then chain 2, then do another 2 double crochets, and after that you're going to progress with the chains around the circle. So we have this one. So we are here again, so we are going to chain 2, then do 2 single chains, then chain 2, so as you progress you realize that you are having your desired square shape. So this is what we have. So I'm going to complete. So we are at our final space and we are going to chain 2. So 1, so this is what we have. So as we did on our first while joining, insert your, and then do like this. And so this is what we have. You realize that you are having a desired square shape as you progress, and so it's going to be a continuous process till you have such results. So bye bye, let's see you in my next YouTube channel, my next YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe.